Have you ever noticed that sometimes your child loses interest just a minute after you start reading a bedtime story? The reason usually isn't the story. It's the way the story is told. Many parents believe that reading the words on the page is enough. But children don't just listen to stories. They experience them. Every character has a different personality. Every moment has a different emotion, and your voice is the tool that brings all of it to life. Imagine a tiny mouse whispering. Instead of saying, "The little mouse walked quietly," try lowering your voice and whispering. The little mouse tiptoed as quietly as he could. Now imagine a giant bear. Don't use the same voice. Slow down, speak deeper. WOSBEEN, me forest. Suddenly, your child isn't just listening anymore. They're inside the story. Children naturally respond to emotion more than words. When a character is scared, sound scared. When they're excited, let your excitement be heard. When something surprising happens, pause for a second before revealing it. That little pause creates anticipation. It makes children lean in and wonder, what happens next? Another powerful technique is changing your pace. Not every sentence should be read at the same speed. During calm moments, slow down. During action scenes, speed up slightly to create energy. Your rhythm becomes part of the storytelling. Facial expressions matter too. Smile when the character is happy. Raise your eyebrows when something mysterious happens. Open your eyes wide during exciting moments. Even if your child is mostly listening, they'll often look up to watch your face. And that's where the magic happens. Don't be afraid to sound a little silly. Children don't judge your acting skills. They love enthusiasm. A funny voice for a frog. A squeaky voice for a little bird. A grumpy voice for an old turtle. These little changes help children remember the characters long after the story ends. You can also invite your child into the adventure. Ask questions while reading. What do you think happens next? Would you help the little rabbit? How do you think she feels? These simple questions keep children actively involved instead of passively listening. Remember, your goal isn't to perform perfectly. Your goal is to create a warm memory. Years from now, your child probably won't remember every story you read, but they'll remember how it felt to sit beside you, to laugh together, to wonder together, and to imagine together. That's the true power of storytelling. So tonight, don't just read the story, become the story. Your child will hear the difference, and more importantly, they'll feel it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more storytelling tips, family advice, and heartwarming stories you can share with your little ones. Because every great story begins with someone willing to tell it with love.